Okay, everybody finished? Should I give you the question? The next question? Anyone who is still writing?
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Finished? Okay. Now do this one. You have to find the square root of this. Oh, sorry, not this one. Wait. This one. Okay.
Done. Done, ma'am. Done.
Ma'am, I didn't get it. Can I tell you the steps? What I did? Okay, Chakrika, you can put it, or yeah, you can just ask me on WhatsApp. I'll tell it over there. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, everybody finish or anyone who's still doing? Should we discuss the answer? Okay.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, so very first over here is 1296. I'll make a pair. Yes. And then, Ronnie, tell me which square is the perfect one for this? 3. 3. So 3 is 9. Then, Naisha, you tell me what you will get here. Naisha is here. Naisha. Okay, Gauri, you tell me what you will get here.
396.
Okay. Then here, what should I write?
6.
6. Chakrika, you tell me now which number should I fill here?
6.
6. So here also 6. What I'll get? 396?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So 1296 is basically the square of 36. Clear? Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So I hope you people got this. So in the next class, I'll give you the questions. I'll not tell you whether this is odd or even. You have to do it on your own. Okay. So just revise this. These same questions, just revise it because this method is little bit confusing. So you need to practice it. Okay. These questions I'll give you. The 2 questions I'll give you. One for odd, one for even. You will practice it. Okay. And in the next class, I'll not tell you anything. You will do the things on your own. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, then that's it for today. Bye bye. Take care. We will be
Bye,
like you
ma'am.
have enough time to revise.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. Bye bye. Take care. Naisha, we are done with the class. So what was the answer for you? 36?
Actually, I didn't understand the answer. Can you
You
just...
didn't get her. Okay. So it was C. 12. It will be 3 threes are 9. Right?
how did you get 6? I mean,
Where? Here? In the blank?
no, you have to 12 minus 9, so you have to put 3 or 6.
Huh.
I didn't understand, ma'am.
12 minus 9 is 3 only, na?
Yes, ma'am. So, 36 you'll get.
What you will get? This one, na? 96 will come here, right? Now,
No, ma'am.
3 should be double.
No, previous one for 64, it was 40 minus 36, so you'll get 12. So, for this one, it's 3.
No. 40 minus 36 is 4. How come 12?
No, ma'am. On the side, you had to put 12.
Yeah, because what you have to do double of this. 6 multiplied by 2. That's why you wrote here. And in this case, it was 3. So 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. That's why I wrote here 6. Got it?
You have to do 12 minus 9. I didn't understand it.
12 minus 9. 3 threes are 9, na? 3
No,
square is
on
9.
the side.
Huh?
On the side, ma'am, 66.
You didn't get 6 here. You didn't get 6 here?
No, ma'am, I got the answer.
Okay, so you are confused in which point? Tell me.
Ma'am, on the side, how do you get 6? Blank 6.
Okay, this 6. 6, 6, you will multiply with every number. Like for example, 6, 3 and 3, 3 is 9, 6, 3, 81. You got 189, which is less than this.
I understood how you get the blank, but I got 3 dash, not 6. I didn't understand how you got 6.
You have to you have to find it. You will start with 2. Already here. Now this blank. Okay, so let's just put 2 here. So you will multiply with the 2 only. So 2, 2 is 4, 6, 2 is 12. So you got 124, which is less than this. You will start with 3. Let's just put the blank 3. So multiply with 3. So 3, 3 is 9 and 6, 3 is 18. You got 189, which is also less than 1. 3, 6. So you will keep on doing this. 6, 4 multiplied by 4. 6, 5 multiplied by 5. So keep on multiplying it. And then 6, 6 multiplied by 6. You got 396. So that's why you put 6 here. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, don't worry. I'll just Huh?
For finding 6, you had to do 3 into 2, right?
Yes. This 6. The first 6, to find first 6, you have to do double of this. Double means multiply it with 2. 2 times of 3. So 3 multiply by 2. So you got 6 here.
Odd also, it's the same thing only, right?
Yes. Yes. No matter odd or even. The only difference between odd numbers and the even number is that over here you have to make 2 pairs. But in the odd one, first one would be the single one and the others would be in pair. That's the only difference, and other step would be same. Okay? Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, then I hope you got it now. Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, then bye-bye.
Good
Good evening,
evening, ma'am.
Aman. Good evening. Why didn't you give the test for this, Aman?
Ma'am, I wasn't in Delhi, ma'am. I was traveling somewhere else.
Because others really scored well and you were not in them. It was like not attempted. So I really felt Aman should
Yes,
attempt
ma'am.
it.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I know. I also felt bad, ma'am, but I was traveling somewhere else by road, so ma'am, I couldn't
They are back.
attempt it. No, ma'am, I'm not back.
Okay, so you have 3 days holidays now.
Yes, ma'am, I know. 16,
You can
17,
enjoy
and
it.
18.
Hmm?
Ma'am, 15, 16, and 17, no?
16, 17, and 18, I guess.
Ma'am, tomorrow is 15.
Today is 15.
Okay. So today is the
16,
last day.
17, and 18. 3 days.
Okay,
From
ma'am.
19th, your classes will be resumed.
Ma'am, I couldn't join. Ma'am, I also couldn't join the science class, ma'am, because I was traveling. And ma'am, I didn't even have time.
So
Ma'am, you
once
want
you get
to,
free, you have these 3 days now.
Hmm.
So whatever
Ma'am,
clock you have, just finish it.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I will also attempt the question paper and send it.
Yes, just share it to me so that I can at least give the marks.
Okay,
Because
ma'am.
I think report cards are already been sent,
Hmm.
but let's see.
Okay. Ma'am, what were the maximum marks? 15 or 40?
15 out of 15.
Okay, ma'am.
15
Ma'am,
out of
I have
14. 15 out of 15, and one student got 14 and a half, and one student got 14.
okay, ma'am, I'll try my best to get 15 out of 15.
Hmm. And the presentation was really nice. I don't know whether I have the exam. I think Ananya got 15 out of 40, 15. Uh,
Oh,
let's see.
okay, ma'am.
Let me show you her paper. Yeah, I can't show you her paper because you haven't.
Yeah, ma'am.
It's cheating. But her presentation was really nice.
Ma'am, in the
So
next class, I will attempt a test paper and I'll send it.
yes, this week I
That
don't
they
know
can
whether you
see.
people will have any test paper test or not this week. I don't know this week you will have anything. But I think upcoming like this week because 3 days is already off. Monday, Tuesday, and
But
Sunday, Monday,
ma'am, I
Tuesday.
have a doubt. Ma'am,
Hmm?
in science, we had a test of 39 marks. Ma'am, why aren't we having a test like this in maths?
Because in science it's very easy to do the things. Now I cannot give you the like for this I'm giving you the topics. I'm not giving you the entire chapter. Others I would be making it
Mm.
50 marks. Right?
Ma'am,
I'm giving you the
seriously, in
topics
the
like
science
division and
test, ma'am, it
multiplication.
was a whole paper with
Hmm.
16 questions and
Oh.
concluding sub parts. And ma'am, they only gave us 1 hour.
And that's why I don't give it like this because 1 hour
Mm.
only
Ma'am,
attempt
that's
15
good.
to 20.
Ma'am, that's good.
Cannot
You
attempt
don't give it
50
like
marks in
this.
1 hour. No?
Ma'am, that's good. You don't give it like this.
Yes, because in 1 hour the maximum is 20 marks. It's
Mm.
like a unit test. Right? If I'm giving you
Mm.
50 marks or something like that, I at
Mm.
least need to give you 2 hours.
Mm.
Because in 80
Ma'am,
marks paper, you are getting
ma'am, in our
3 hours.
schools also, ma'am, in our schools also, the test paper consists of 30 marks, and
Hmm.
ma'am, they give at least 1 hour, 30 minutes.
Yes, that's the sequence. 20 marks and 15 to 20 marks would be
But
1 hour.
ma'am, the
To
problem
go
is
above
that
that,
there
then it
can
will
be,
be 1.5.
ma'am, but the problem is there can be any amount of questions. Like in our PT1 last year, ma'am, I got 27 questions in science.
Oh.
Ma'am, so that's the problem. Science
Hmm.
papers are always lengthy. And
Yes,
ma'am, in
because you
math,
have to write
got
a
six
lot.
questions. And
So you have
ma'am,
to
in
write
math
a lot.
paper, we only got 6 questions. And ma'am, only 2 questions consisted of subparts.
Hmm. That's the only thing in maths also. But in maths, you include calculation, which is quite, if you are good in calculation, it's easy. But in science, no matter whether you know the things or not, you have to write. If you want to make them explain anything, you have to write the entire answer. So that's the
Ma'am,
drawback of it.
Suhail sir have at least taken 20 or 25 classes of ours. And ma'am, he only asked just one time to write. Aduka is taking notes like he asked like this. And ma'am, it was the first time he asked. And ma'am, the last time. So,
Yeah. So you people enjoy that, or you people like are habitual of making notes?
ma'am, his class is like dead. Nobody talks.
Hmm.
Ma'am, like nothing, ma'am. Nobody is even joyful. Ma'am, if he asks a question, even
Hmm.
one or two could answers.
Okay. So, like, because you people are like, you people are not in higher classes, you people are in seventh class, and in seventh class, everybody likes that. Okay, I taught you something, and I'm like, these are the notes. Make your
Yes.
notes. Because, yeah, you people are not brilliant enough to make the, yeah, I taught you everything. I'm like, okay, this. Every teacher is different, and every teacher
Ma'am,
has
Suhail
their,
sir class. Suhail sir is just like explaining. He doesn't know what are the kids doing. He doesn't even care, ma'am. He's just like explaining
oh,
and
that,
nothing else. Ma'am, seriously, this class is seriously like that boring.
oh, but still, you people are there.
Yes, ma'am.
You don't have
It's
any
hard
option.
to attempt his class for 1 hour. And ma'am, it's really easy to attempt your class for 1 hour because ma'am, we don't even know the time. How is it going? Ma'am,
And we feel
I
like
have
I
one
personally
class.
feel like it's being only 15 minutes, and I'm like, I'm looking at the time. Oh God,
Seriously, ma'am, same, ma'am.
because
Ma'am,
I
I
personally,
don't
even I'm
even
teaching
know.
you one question, because my main motive is not to teach only one student. It's like I have to teach all the students. If they are not getting it, I have to wait, no matter whether I'll finish one. Because my
Yes, ma'am.
basic thing
It's
is
only
that
like
I
this.
focus on quality, not on the quantity. That okay, we did 10 question in a class. I am proud of myself. No, I will be
Ma'am,
proud of
Suhail
myself
sir,
when I'll make you
ma'am,
people understand all
at
the things.
least you care about quality. Ma'am, Suhail sir doesn't even care about quantity. Ma'am, he's just like
So
teaching.
oh, so because it's like I don't know. So even after your class, you didn't get any PDF or something to make read it.
Yes, ma'am.
You get any PDF or something after the class?
No, ma'am.
Nothing. So
No.
how do you do? Like, how do you write the like? See, I cannot make you learn the answers in the class. So how do you make answers? How do you do the things?
Oh, ma'am. I have a copy and a pen here. So, ma'am, I always write it down.
So you write it down, but when we write, we only write one liner, no?
Ma'am, I don't understand what you're saying.
Like I'm saying that, for example, I'm teaching you any topic, right? I told you that range is this and this. Like, okay. For example, I'm teaching you deforestation. Like I'm talking about science. Okay, so deforestation, this, everything I taught. But
Okay,
everything you
ma'am.
cannot remember, right? Even if you
Yes,
know the
ma'am.
things in Hindi, you cannot make your answers. And sometimes
Ma'am,
you
we
forget
can
the
make
points
short
as well.
notes. Ma'am, we can make short notes.
Yes, but not everybody is good in that. Now, you made short notes. For example,
No, I make.
causes of global warming you did, and you made deforestation, right? You made pollution, all that. But how do you explain it?
Ma'am, explain. Ma'am, I don't explain it. Ma'am, just like the line copied from the book, ma'am, because I know that's only gonna come in our test.
But
Ma'am,
you are
nobody,
brilliant, but not everybody is that like, na?
ma'am, but nobody's gonna give us marks for that.
But if it comes for 3 marks, you cannot only write the points. You have to mention it.
Ma'am,
Deforestation
but
is.
those kids who don't write the notes, at least they have read the chapter, na. If they don't read it, it's their mistake only, ma'am, because some questions have to
But
be
the
explained.
students point it out. But sometimes the student point out. That's why we tuitions, because we want notes.
Ma'am, at one point, ma'am, when I joined Learnivio, ma'am, I was also taking home tuition.
Double tuitions.
Yes, ma'am. But ma'am, I don't know, ma'am, what my father think at that time. But ma'am, my sister is in ninth class. She also learns with Learnivio. So ma'am, my sister studies from the tutor. So ma'am, he also teaches me. Like ma'am, if he catches my sister, so ma'am, he
Hmm.
also teaches me. Not only her, ma'am. Even if my syllabus is completed fully,
Huh. Okay, so she is taking home tuition, or she is taking classes from Learnivio.
ma'am, my sister is taking classes from Learnivio also and from home tutor also.
Okay, the same it's only,
No, ma'am,
or
not the same. Not the same. Ma'am, the home tutor is someone else, not from Learnivio.
The same subject or something else? Like if she's teaching, if she's learning maths here, so
No, ma'am. She is learning all the subjects there, like SST, science, physics, chemistry, bio, everything, maths.
okay, okay. Just a
Ma'am, you're on mute. Hello. Ma'am. Ma'am. Hello. Ma'am. Ma'am, you're on mute. Ma'am.
just a minute.
Ma'am. Oh, okay, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Rida. Just give me 1 minute.
Ma'am, why are people coming this late?
I'll tell you the reason. That's why I was on call. Just a minute, okay? Okay. Yeah. So the reason. Good evening, Rida. Most of the students went where like out because from tomorrow onwards, Eid is starting now. So they just
Yes.
went here
Ma'am,
and there.
Bakra Eid. Ma'am, ma'am, you know, ma'am, that is the reason why I was out.
Oh, that's why. But you are still in the class. Most of
Yes,
the
ma'am.
students have went like they went where out now. So
But
that's why the
I came from Dehradun, ma'am. Then I had to travel from Delhi to Bihar, and ma'am, by road.
road is quite
It took me three
okay.
days to travel.
So students, what we will do, basically most of the students are out.
Ma'am,
So
ma'am,
what I
ma'am,
will do, we will
ma'am,
just
that's why,
revise.
ma'am, ma'am, that is why I was thinking, ma'am, why are we talking this long? Ma'am, you have started teaching us already. Ma'am, that is why I was thinking that.
Because I was waiting for others. You were the only one in the class. Now Rida joined. Then I asked your counselor, what's wrong? Why people are not joining? So that's why they told me, ma'am, this will be the scenario because most of the students were out because they might have called them and they got this.
Ma'am,
So
but the
that's why.
counselor
So
didn't
yes,
even call me once when I was out.
they didn't call you. Maybe they called you.
Oh,
You were not reachable.
ma'am, the only time they give me a missed call, once, only once, ma'am.
Because usually what happens, for example, I have 7 students in a class. If 6 join, then one is like, okay. But if there are 7 students and if only 1 or 2 students join, then they become like,
Yes,
why?
ma'am.
That's
Ma'am,
why.
there are 7 students in our class.
Huh.
So, ma'am, only 2 have joined till now.
Yes. So today I will only revise the topics. Okay. So that,
Ma'am, excuse
hmm,
me, ma'am. Can you explain me what have we done in the
yes,
previous?
that's what I was planning. I will just revise the things. Okay. I think it
Ma'am,
would be
can
for
you,
Rida as well.
ma'am, can you please explain me that cricket game, the one, the, like this, the one that I didn't understood. Yeah, this one.
This one, yes, yes, I'll explain.
Yeah.
Don't worry. I'll explain you. So let's just start from very starting because Aman was not there frequently. Okay, so in this topic, basically data handling, the very first thing we did was mean. Okay.
Ma'am, I will.
Mean is sum of all the observation. Sum of all observation divided by,
Observation, ma'am, it can be quantities.
yes, it can be any quantity. Observation means it can be marks, it can be score, it can be attendance, anything. Okay, then
Okay.
number of observation. So for example, I just gave you that these are the marks of the students. Okay. Okay. 2, 4, 6, 5, 10 and 10. Okay, these are the marks. Okay, student A, student B, student C, D, E and F. Okay, you have to find the mean. Okay, so to find mean, first of all, sum of all the observation. That means 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 5 plus 10 plus 10. Divided by how many students are there? 1, 2, 3,
16.
4, 5, 6. You will divide it by 6.
6.
Whatever
Ma'am,
mark,
6.161616.
yes. So whatever you will get, you will solve it and that will be your mean. Got it? Mean is clear to everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. Now the second topic which we did was range.
Ma'am,
Okay.
the first number and the last number we have to
Yes.
add it.
Yes. The highest one,
And the
highest
lowest one.
observation minus the lowest
Lowest,
Ma'am, can you
observation.
explain how can ma'am, can you explain through an example?
Yes. So for example, over here, what is the highest score?
Ma'am, 10.
Ma'am, 10.
And what is the lowest score?
2,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
2.
Ma'am, so the
What will
answer
be
would
saying?
be 8.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Clear?
Ma'am, I understand. Ma'am, I
Okay.
knew it, but ma'am, I thought I would be wrong somewhere. So, ma'am, that's why I asked.
Okay. So this is what you did. Okay. Now, one thing is by making the tabular form or the telemark. Sometimes we say telemark.
Ma'am, there are
Sometimes
also
we say
different
the
types
table.
of this. Ma'am, pie chart.
And that will come later on. Don't worry.
Oh, okay.
Right now we are in this only. So this is what. So for example, these are the marks 2, 2, 2,
Ma'am,
1.
you have to write it like 1, like 2. It's like, can I show you an example?
This one.
Yeah. Like
Yes,
you
yes,
have to
I'm
make
doing.
you have to make a tally mark, and then you have to there are 2 students, right? So you have to
Yes.
put 2 lines. So that would
Yes.
make it 2. And then
Yes.
if it's 3, you have to make it 3 lines.
Yes.
And ma'am, it's ma'am, when it's 5, we do not make 5 lines. Ma'am,
Yeah. We
Cut it.
cross it.
ma'am, we just cross it. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So let's just make it like this. 3 you will make and here you will write marks. Okay. Here you will write telemark. Like for example, if this is a score, you will write score, whatever it is. Okay. And here frequency. Okay.
Ma'am, what was
Mm.
frequency?
Frequency is basically how many numbers of time it is coming.
Oh, okay.
Free
You have to write it normally or
frequency
just with the lines?
with the lines. See, in your notebook, you already have the lines, but here I don't have the lines, so I need to make it.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
Ma'am,
So
can
1,
we do this?
3, 4, and 5. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. So 1 is coming how many times, ma'am? 1 time. 2 is coming 1, 2, and 3.
2,
3 times.
3.
3 is coming 1, 2, 2 times. Sorry.
Ma'am, you are not writing in the tally marks.
Yes. 1,
Ma'am,
2,
then you can write.
yes, 3, and then 1, 2, and then 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
And then we cross it.
4. 1,
And
2,
then
3.
4.
Clear? Then here 1, 3, 2,
2,
5,
5,
and 4.
4.
Okay, then you will do the total here. Like the last one would be total. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yes? Now let's just count it. Let's see whether it is correct or not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So that means it is correct. This is how you basically recheck it.
Ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I have
Ma'am,
a
it
doubt.
can be.
Yes, Rida?
Ma'am, Aman can say it first, then I'll ask.
Okay.
Ma'am, I was saying, ma'am, the thing you did, like you counted the numbers, and ma'am, then you said that it's correct. Ma'am, how?
They are also 15.
Hmm.
This is
So,
also
ma'am,
15.
what's the relation between these two?
See, for example, sometimes what happened, for example, you counted this 2 only 2 times. You wrote here 2.
Hmm.
That means you missed 1, 2. So
Okay,
when
ma'am.
you will count it here, it will be 14 only. But when you will
Hmm.
count it here, it will be 15. So you will get to know that this is not matching. So that means you missed any number.
Oh, okay,
Okay.
ma'am. Okay, ma'am, I understand.
Hmm.
Ma'am, because I know other tricks.
Okay. Yeah, that's your choice, but
Hmm.
everybody has their own choice. Okay.
Ma'am, I have never studied data handling properly.
But you have to, it's
Like,
very scoring.
ma'am, I didn't even know what is range, like this, and this thing. Ma'am,
Ma'am,
till this class.
every time data handling gets cancelled, like from the chapters, so we never get to study it for finals.
No,
Hmm.
ma'am. Ma'am, I studied data handling from fourth class. Ma'am, I
Yeah,
studied
even
it.
I'm teaching. I'm teaching data handling in every class. Like you won't believe, in every class I'm teaching this.
Ma'am, it's
So
the easiest
Ma'am,
chapter.
till 10th.
yes, 10th is
Ma'am,
stats.
no,
Of
no,
course,
no.
the name is changed. It's statistic, but of course, mean, mode, median, bar graph, and all that.
Ma'am, do you also teach trigonometry?
Yes, I teach up to 10th now, math. So I do teach.
Okay, ma'am, that's
Ma'am, you
good.
don't teach 11th and 12th.
11th and 12th, I teach economics.
Ma'am, that's only the same thing, I think so.
Yeah, economics, it's like the same as statistic and all that.
Ma'am, have you ever teached science in 12th and 11th?
I teach science up to 10th.
Ma'am, you also teach science.
Yes.
Ma'am, I didn't know.
I thought Suhit sir only teaches science.
Ma'am, I
And
seriously knew that you only teach math. Ma'am, today I knew that you also teach science.
yes, but in 12th, 11th and 12th, what happens? We cannot take multiple subject because 12th grade is already, 11th and 12th is already, we have a lot of
Ma'am,
things to do. So that's why I teach
ma'am,
economics,
can you
because in
please
economics
also
also
teach
we
us
have two
science?
books to cover. Yes.
Ma'am, can you please also teach us science because ma'am, so his such class is also dead.
You want to keep me in a, like, you want to
Yes,
hang
ma'am.
me out.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, because your class would be pretty awesome.
Yeah.
Like, I don't have batches.
You
It's
can
very,
even
like,
ask
it's a
Rita. Ma'am,
controversy thing which we are discussing here.
yes,
So let's just
ma'am, you
focus to
can even ask
question.
Rita. Ma'am, how did Sohail sir class look? Ma'am, everyone is
Yeah.
like, and ma'am, only Sohail
He's
sir.
asking if you understand, and we do understand, but we are not in the mood to answer yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, sir only wants two words from you. Yes, sir. And ma'am, nothing else.
That's a very controversy thing, na? And it's like, you. I hope you people can understand. It's like teacher to teacher.
Ma'am,
So
if we say this in Sohail sir class, ma'am, it will be a controversy between you and Sohail
yes,
sir.
and everyone will come to me. Then what you discuss this in class. So
Ma'am, do you know Sohail sir?
I don't know him personally, but yeah, I've seen him taking the classes because most of the
Ma'am, have you
students I have heard.
talked to him once?
I can't.
Uh,
I don't know
ma'am,
him. I
that's
don't have
good.
any
Ma'am,
contact.
ma'am, that's good now. So we can start a
He's senior.
controversy
I have
between.
to, like, he might be senior because over here I'm the youngest one.
Mom
Ma'am,
is the youngest one.
Yes, I believe so. So I don't know because I have, like, feel like that I'm the youngest one because my office
ma'am,
also
is
I'm the
there an
youngest one.
office? Ma'am, is there an office in the building
Yeah.
Learnivio.
just above Orchid?
Just our
Orchid or anywhere else?
Learnivio office.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, we have two branches for
In
Learnivio.
Dubai.
I don't know in Dubai, I don't know, but in India we have in New Delhi itself.
Ma'am, in Delhi, where?
Yeah, in Delhi, I never been to office, but one is in Jamia and one is in Noida, I guess.
Oh,
I never been to office, so I don't have any idea.
ma'am, why? Ma'am, work from home.
Yeah,
Ma'am,
work from home.
in the first class, I was so scared. I thought you were gonna like, if I don't get the answer, you're gonna say, "Why don't I know the answer?" I got so scared on the first class.
No, 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 no.
But
Mine is like, if you didn't get it, why I am here? I'm here to teach you. So it's nothing because I know they see everybody is in that stage. Like I was also the one. I was on your stage, right? I was in your stage. At that time, also I used to feel like the most pressurizing thing was that in my class, my teacher used to ask answer, but sometimes, for example, I don't know the answer. I'm just praying that please she should not pick me up and ask me, Sanya, tell me the answer. So I was the one I was praying
Ma'am,
like please.
Ma'am, who was?
Like in my school days, when I was in school, sometimes what happened, na, for example, this concept I didn't get. You cannot
ma'am,
get every concept, na?
Hmm.
ma'am,
So,
did you hated
Understand it.
maths before?
sorry.
Ma'am, did you hated maths before?
I didn't hated it, but sometimes what happens, some topics are difficult.
Ma'am, I
You
love
get
it.
Ma'am, you
confused in
became a maths
everything.
teacher. You were scared to answer and you became the maths teacher.
Yeah, because I can the main motive behind becoming a teacher is like I'm not a teacher profession like that professional teacher. I
Ma'am,
just
ma'am,
want
ma'am.
to here.
Ma'am,
I am by
if
profession.
you
I'm
were,
an HR.
ma'am, if you were weak in maths, why did you choose math?
No, no, I was not weak in. I got 98 in my boards, so I was not
Oh,
weak.
ma'am,
So I was
But
one of
not.
ma'am,
my
why were you
friends,
scared?
ma'am, one of my friends' brother got 99.
He might be intelligent, but I was not like I won't say I was weak,
Ma'am,
but
like in all boards. Ma'am, in all result. Ma'am, is
mm,
total
Wow.
result.
very nice. But
Ma'am, he's
I was
like
in other
all day.
subject I got 100 and 199, but in maths I got 98, and I think for me Hindi was my poorest subject. Like I was very
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
bad at
mine too.
Hindi.
Ma'am, mine too.
Hindi is
Ma'am,
very
mine too.
hard.
I don't know. Hindi is like, of course, now it's okay for me, but during my school days, Hindi was the only subject
Ma'am,
because of this
I
my
hate,
percentage came
ma'am,
down.
I
I got
hate writing
91 in
Hindi.
Hindi.
Ma'am, I
Ma'am,
hate Hindi.
Learnivio doesn't take language classes, right?
Language. I don't know Learnivio offers it or not. I have no idea about
Ma'am, third
Learnivio.
language like French, German, Spanish.
I am very poor in this. I don't know anything.
Uh-huh.
I'm like
Ma'am, I
I
Ma'am,
don't
love
have.
which job
French
do
a
you
lot.
enjoy the most? The teaching one or the HR one, like the one you work for?
I love teaching. Like it's like I'm working 9 to 5 and I'm just waiting for 6:30 because from 6:30 to 11:30 sometimes I had the continuous of the classes. So I'm just waiting for 6:30 because I really feel good when I teach and when I interact with you people. It's like the most relieving time for me, like
Ma'am,
relax.
done. Ma'am, done, done, done. Ma'am,
So
that's
I
it.
really enjoy it. HR one is also very nice. I don't have
Ma'am, I
much
have
work.
done the questions.
Okay, a man is multi-talented.
Hmm.
So he is. Okay, I think Rida, you have to do it now. We'll just wait. Okay.
Oh, this
Hmm.
one
So
was? Yeah.
okay, so now see this one. The first one is you have to find the mean of A.
Mm.
So
Ma'am,
Rida,
done.
quickly find the mean of A. Okay, let's just wait. Aman.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, but I had a problem with the second part. But I think my answer is correct.
Okay, let's see.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, why have you written the answers? Ma'am, in front of the points, you have written the answers.
Hmm. Yeah, I forgot
Ma'am, I
that.
seriously noticed it right now.
I didn't notice it. Okay, no issues. I'll erase it.
Ma'am, ma'am, the coincidence. Ma'am, you just gave us 90% of the answers.
I didn't
But
realize it.
I couldn't seriously notice it.
Yeah, even I didn't realize it because this is already done in the class and that's why the answers were written.
Ma'am, but Reda is still doing.
Yeah, no problem. I know I have trust.
Yeah. Ma'am,
Because
you have
this time
faith in us.
Rida really performed well in the exam and I was really happy.
Ma'am, in my last maths exam, I got 30 out of 30. And ma'am, in the total of 38 students, only one got 30 out of 30. And ma'am, it was me.
Oh, very good. Making proud. This one, like the upcoming, also do the same, please.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Right?
ma'am, my previous maths teacher, she. Okay, so ma'am, she was like so rude. And ma'am, if anybody uses any other method than her,
Hmm.
rather than her method, ma'am, she cuts marks, all of the marks, not even half. If the
Very
question is
wrong.
of 3 marks, she cuts all the 3 marks.
But why this is very wrong? Because
Yes, ma'am.
what matters is your answer. Because in both exam, you never know who is going to
Yes,
check your
ma'am.
answer
And ma'am,
sheet.
a new sir, he Ma'am, he's a sir. So, ma'am, obviously, ma'am, because I'm saying he. So, ma'am, he says that you just give the answer correct. You can do it
Yes.
any method you like. Any
Ah,
method you like. I will never
yes.
cut the marks for it.
Yes, because see, in both exam, you never know who is going to check your paper.
And ma'am, he's just like when he needs the class to be shut up, he's like, guys, please. And ma'am, he's just like this. So everyone hates him. But ma'am, when he said this, everyone loves him for this reason only. Nothing else.
Because kind of, I think that teachers should be strict somewhere, but yeah,
Mm.
you are teaching, you are not the Hitler,
But
right?
ma'am, his class is depressed, just like Sohail sir.
I no arguments on this topic now.
Ma'am, there's one teacher just like you, ma'am. She teaches us a science, and ma'am, her class is just like so fun. Everyone like is joking around, and she doesn't even care, ma'am.
Hmm.
She's just like teaching and having fun with the children.
Yeah, that's it. It's like the first thing is that you should enjoy the class, and the
And
second
ma'am,
thing is you should learn
once
in the class.
we went on a trip, ma'am, and they didn't allow us to get some soft drink. And ma'am, she was like drinking it with us.
Oh, yeah, that's kind of like I'm like one of them, but
She's just like,
I'm
see,
not a
ma'am.
teacher. I'm not a teacher because I never been to any school. I never taught anywhere because of course my profession is different. But still, I like would love to somewhere,
I'm
like
just
the.
trying to remind you, ma'am, that I'm done.
Yes. So Rida, you are done with the first one, A.
Ma'am, I'm in the B
Okay,
grade
okay,
in all.
okay, okay. Quickly do it. We'll just wait. Even my in my office, I'm the HR. So earlier also, I think there might be some HRs. So when I joined, so all my team members were like, "You are the sweetest one. Like this is the first time we are getting the sweetest HR." Others they are very rude, and even for taking the leave permission or something, they are very rude, and they are like they're asking multiples of questions.
Ma'am, that is good for you.
Yeah, like I'm someone I understand. If somebody is taking leave, of course they might have some work now. But I just like most of the people take leaves on weekends. Weekends
Ma'am,
and off. Friday is only
your
working.
voice is
Saturday,
cutting.
Sunday is off. It's not audible.
No, ma'am, now it is. It is, ma'am. Now it
I think I like the bad networks. It would be like one more week, then I'll go back to Delhi, so that would be fine only.
ma'am, same, ma'am. Ma'am, just 5 days more and I'll be back to
Yes.
Delhi.
Same here. So 5, 6
Ma'am,
days more. Like this week only. Saturday I'll be going.
ma'am, in here in Bihar, ma'am, it's like just so hot. Ma'am, since we have an like not a really big house, but ma'am, it's
Hmm.
really big. Ma'am, it's like open from some of the areas, and we also have a lot of coolers. But ma'am, here 55-degree temperature.
Even in Delhi, the same condition.
No, ma'am, Delhi's. Yesterday I checked, it was 48 or 46 around it.
No, when my father came here and he was telling me it crossed 50. It was 52 when my father came. So it's been
Once it
four
was
five days.
53.
Hmm.
Ma'am,
So
but I
I'm
think
just hoping that because over
in
here it's too cold.
ma'am in Dehra.
Yeah, in Uttarakhand it's like super cold where I stay. In Pithoragar side, it's super cold. We are wearing jackets. We are like having this sweaters and all that. The blankets, have a blankets and
Ma'am,
all that.
but I think that in Delhi, in everybody's home, they have ACs casually. So, ma'am, it doesn't feel like hot there.
Yes.
Ma'am, but here
It's
in
like, but
Bihar,
the
there
thing is
are
that you have to
not
step
much.
out from the house, now somewhere.
Mm.
You
Ma'am,
have
but
to
in
step out.
Bihar, there are not much supplies of AC. So, ma'am,
Hmm.
not get it here.
Yes. And when you have the habit of ACs, of course, it's become very difficult to
Ma'am,
step
it's
out.
really bad. Ma'am, my father also has it. Ma'am, he's like in his office all the time in AC, ma'am, 24 hours.
Mm,
And ma'am,
that's
I
why.
am also in my house being in AC 24 by 7, ma'am.
So it's like, but it's very big. It become like really difficult when you step it out.
Right now, I am sitting between 2 or 3 coolers, and ma'am, still I'm sweating.
I'm just hoping like when I'll go back to Delhi, what I'll do. Like I don't know. I don't
Ma'am,
have any
same, ma'am, same, ma'am, same.
idea.
I just turn the AC on and I just sit there.
Yes.
Ma'am, I go to my car. Ma'am, my car is parked not a long time, ma'am, but it's like parked 200 or 300 meter away. So, ma'am, I'll go there and ma'am turn the car on and ma'am sit in the AC.
Yes, that's the only good idea we all can
Yes, ma'am.
adapt. Okay, so Rida done. Should we discuss the answers?
Yes,
Ma'am, I will
ma'am.
tell two of them.
Mhm. Okay, the first one, what do you people got?
Ma'am, 12.5, obviously.
So it was 50 by 4.
Ma'am, you only wrote the answer.
Yes, and then 12.5. Yes, Rida?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Then to
I have
find
a
the mean
question.
number of the point per game C, would you divide the total number 3 or by 4? So 3, 1, you
Ma'am,
will
4.
divide with 3 or 4?
Ma'am, 4.
4. Huh?
Ma'am,
Rida, you
3.
tell me? 3.
Ma'am, 3.
This one he didn't play, so why would you count this? So 3. Got
Ma'am, why
it?
3? Ma'am, no,
He didn't
ma'am.
play.
Why 3?
He didn't
Ma'am, but
play.
it's his fault. Ma'am, but it was a game.
No, it's like total how many matches he played, na? Total score divided by total number of matches he played. So he played only 3 matches.
Uh,
Okay. And B played 4 times. So what is the mean for B?
Ma'am, 10
1.5?
point. Ma'am, 10 point. Ma'am,
Hmm?
it's 10.60. No,
No.
ma'am, not 60, 10.66.
I'm talking about third one, the B, not the C.
Third one. Oh, ma'am. Ma'am, it will be only
4.5.
32 upon 3. Ma'am, that will be only 10.6666. Ma'am, it will go on.
Ma'am, wait,
Rida,
can
you tell me the B one.
ma'am, I didn't got the B1. I
Ma'am,
got
B
like
one
the
would be
answer 7.
8
ma'am.
plus 6
Ma'am,
plus.
B or C? Ma'am, I thought you were talking about C. Ma'am, in the
The
B1,
third
ma'am, it's
one, the B, how much
4.5.
B played?
Ma'am,
Yes, 4.5.
4.5.
Rida, it was 18 by 4. Right? So you will divide it. 18 by 4. So 4 4s are 16, 17,
Yes.
18. You got 2. You will put a 0 here. You will put a decimal here. Then 4 5s are 20.
Ma'am, I was studying for the C1.
Ma'am, I don't know why this is so confusing, but I know it's not supposed to be confusing, but for me, I don't know why it's get confusing.
It's a thing. So whenever you're getting something which is not further divisible, put 0. And then whatever number whenever you put 0, just put a decimal here. And then see what number you can divide it further. That's it. Okay? If you put a 0 here, you need to put a decimal here. Okay?
Yeah. Ma'am,
Ma'am,
third one,
Who will
I
be the
already
best
told you.
performer?
Ma'am,
A.
the A.
A. Because A has the highest mean. So highest mean would be equals to the best
Ma'am,
performer.
ma'am, C player had a 10.66 now,
Hmm.
and it goes on like
Yes.
10.666.
Yes.
Okay, I was correct, ma'am. I thought you were asking for the C1.
No,